Ever feel like your end-of-year tax filing is a tangled mess of spreadsheets, payroll data, and a looming deadline? What if I told you there's a way to untangle that mess and make the process not just manageable, but almost easy? Welcome, everyone, to the final stretch of the fiscal year. It's a time for reflection, for planning, and yes, for taxes. But let's be honest, for many small business owners and HR managers, tax season brings a mix of dread and confusion. You've been running your business, hiring amazing people, and growing your company all year long. The last thing you need is a complex, error-prone, and time-consuming process to wrap it all up. That's where Justworks comes in. This isn't just another software. It's a partner designed to simplify the most complex parts of running a business, and tax season is a prime example of that. We're going to dive deep into how Justworks transforms your end-of-year tax filing from a chaotic chore into a streamlined workflow. We'll cover everything from W-2s and 1099s to state and federal filings, and show you how Justworks' intuitive platform handles the heavy lifting, giving you back something invaluable, your time. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. What exactly are we talking about when we say end-of-year tax filing? It's more than just a single form. It's about a series of crucial tasks that need to be completed accurately and on time to avoid penalties and ensure your employees and contractors have what they need. This includes generating and distributing W-2 forms for your employees and 1099 forms for your contractors. It also involves filing a number of forms with the IRS and various state agencies, like the Form 940 for federal unemployment tax and Form 941 for quarterly taxes. It's a lot to keep track of, right? But what if all the data you needed was already in one place, automatically organized and ready to go? That's the core promise of Justworks. Let's start with the cornerstone of employee-related tax filing, the W-2 form. For every employee on your payroll, you need to provide a W-2 form summarizing their annual wages, taxes withheld, and other important information. This is a critical document for your employees, as they need it to file their own personal income taxes. In a manual process, this can mean pulling data from different spreadsheets, cross-referencing payroll records, and painstakingly filling out forms. The risk of error is high, and the time commitment can be significant. With Justworks, this entire process is automated. Because all of your payroll runs and employee data are processed through the platform throughout the year, Justworks already has all the necessary information. When it's time to generate W-2s, you don't have to start from scratch. The system automatically populates the forms with the correct data. You simply review and approve. Justworks then handles the distribution, making the forms available to your employees directly through their secure portal. They can access, download, and even print their W-2s from anywhere, without you needing to play the role of a personal delivery service. Now, what about the other side of your workforce? Your contractors. For them, you need to file 1099 forms. The process here is similar, but the forms and requirements are different. Justworks handles this with the same level of automation and ease. If you've been paying your contractors through Justworks during the year, all the payment data is already logged. The platform will automatically generate the required 1099 forms, making sure you're compliant with IRS regulations. Once again, a simple review and approval is all that's needed from you. Justworks takes care of the rest, including e-filing with the IRS and providing the forms to your contractors. Beyond the individual forms for your team, there's the heavier administrative lift of filing with various government agencies. We're talking about forms like the Form 940 for Federal Unemployment Tax Act, or FUTA, and Form 941 for quarterly tax filings. These forms are complex and require detailed information about your payroll and tax liabilities throughout the year. The deadlines are strict, and the consequences of an incorrect or late filing can be serious. Justworks takes this burden completely off your shoulders. As a professional employer organization, or PEO, Justworks acts as the employer of record for tax purposes. This is a game changer. It means Justworks is responsible for filing these federal and state-level payroll tax forms on your behalf. They handle the calculations, the form preparation, and the submission, all in-house. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that a team of experts is ensuring your filings are accurate and timely. You don't have to worry about missing a deadline or making a calculation error that could lead to an audit or penalty. This PEO model is a crucial distinction that sets Justworks apart. It's not just a software tool that helps you file taxes. It's a service that does the filing for you. Think of it this way. Instead of buying a hammer and having to build the house yourself, you're hiring a construction crew that brings their own tools and expertise to build it for you. The peace of mind that comes with this level of service is priceless, especially for a small business owner who already has 1,000 other things on their plate. But let's talk about the human element. What if you have questions? What if you run into a unique situation? One of the biggest fears of tax season is feeling like you're on your own. With Justworks, you're not. Their expert support team is there to help. They can answer your questions, walk you through the platform, and provide guidance on a variety of payroll and tax-related issues. This isn't just about a chatbot or an FAQ page. It's about access to real human expertise when you need it most. Let's do a quick recap of the entire process. Throughout the year, as you run payroll and pay your team through Justworks, all the necessary tax data is being automatically collected and stored securely. You're building a complete and accurate record without even thinking about it. When the end of the year arrives, you receive a notification that your tax forms are ready for review. You log into your Justworks dashboard, and a few clicks are all it takes to approve the W-2s and 1099s. Then, Justworks handles the distribution and filing. You've just completed a task that used to take days or even weeks in a matter of minutes. The benefits of this approach go beyond just saving time and reducing stress. It's also about compliance. Tax laws are constantly changing, and it can be a full-time job just to keep up. Justworks' team of experts monitors these changes and updates their system accordingly, so you can be confident that your filings are always compliant with the latest regulations. This protects your business from costly penalties and legal issues down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.